What is going on? So as you just saw there, I've got two really dirty cars behind me. I've got my dad's car, he does a lot of miles and it's got really dirty. It's got a layer of brake dust on the wheels, and I've got my Astra, which is my daily car, which has also got quite dirty. I haven't washed it in weeks, and I've bought a load of products from Illuminate Car Care, which I thought I'd do a review on today to test them out and see what they're like. So I'm going to open the package they sent me. This is what I got. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So there is everything I've bought right there. I've got banana flavoured pre-wash, I've got strawberry shampoo, there's their glass cleaner in there, they've got their polish, they've got their wheel cleaner, they've got their water sealant, and another one that I can't remember. So we're going to test them out and see what they're all like today. So to begin with, because both the cars are covered with a layer of dirt, we're going to go over it with the banana snow foam, get most of the dirt off with the pressure washer in this. Hopefully it should take pretty much all of it off, and then that'll allow us to go over it with the strawberry shampoo, and then I'll tell you what both of these are like. We just finished the pre-wash. It looks like it's done a good job, but until it's dried a little bit we can't tell for sure, so I'm quickly just going to go the same thing on my Astra, and then we'll see how well it's cleaned and then move on to the shampoo. So I don't know if you can tell, but the pre-wash has got rid of most of the dirt off of both the cars. It's done a pretty good job, to be honest, for a pre-wash. And now we're just going to go over it with this strawberry shampoo, and it should look pretty good after it's dry. The cars have now been washed with the shampoo and the pre-wash. I'm now going to go over with the leather chamois, dry them off, and they'll be really clean. And then we'll get on to polishing. That'll be enough for the Astra. I'm not going to clean it any further, but I'm going to do everything that I've got to the BMW. saw there, the cars do look pretty clean already, and we've only used these two products so far. If any of you guys want any of this stuff, I have managed to get you guys a discount code. I think it's a 10% discount code. It's Project 10. If you enter that when you're checking out, you can get 10% off all the products. Now we're going to go ahead and clean the windows with the Clear Vision, polish it up with the Polish Purple Storm. That is like a iron contaminants cleaner, so we're going to use that on the wheels because there's a lot of brake dust and shit on the wheels. And then we can use the tyre gel and hydro sealant. That is the plan. This one here is an all-purpose cleaner, so that's for like a quick wash if you want to, or to go over trims, interior trims, or if you want to do like the engine bay. That's what it says on the back. So that is pretty much, if you want to clean anything, that does the job. So let's get on to polishing the car. My only complaint so far is that this smells really bad. All the others smell lovely. This one just doesn't smell very nice. Other than that, these seem awesome. So I've just applied the polish to the whole car, and on the back it doesn't say I have to leave it for any amount of time, so I'm just going to pick up a microfiber cloth, wipe it all off, and hopefully it will look great. So after polishing the car, I'm pretty astounded with how good these products are. Like, this was a completely clean microfiber cloth, and it still pretty much looks spotless, which means them first two products did a really good job of cleaning the car before I polished it. And after polishing it, considering this car has done like 200,000 miles on the original paintwork, it looks absolutely stunning. So I'm actually really happy with these products. They have cleaned the car so well. The pre-wash, the shampoo and the polish work brilliantly. Just to let you know, this isn't a paid review, but they did give me a discount on their products, so I'm not being biased towards them. I am giving you my honest opinion. I'm not too keen on that Purple Rain because it doesn't smell too nice, and but I don't really know how to use it, to be fair, so I can't really say too much about that. Yeah, all the other products have cleaned it so well. It looks immaculate considering it's got 200,000 miles on. I've also done the hydro sealer, so this car should now have hydrophobic properties. I'm now going to test it out. I'm going to show you what how clean the car looks, and don't forget there is a discount code, Project 10, for you guys to get 10% off all these products. Give a thumbs up to this video, guys. Subscribe. I'll show you around the car, and we're going to test the hydrophobic properties at the end here. I'll see you next time.